Hello students, in this session we are going to solve the Booth's algorithm numerical problem. So I will just revise the flowchart of this Booth's algorithm. Yeah. So at the initial state you are going to initialize the content of A register and Q minus 1 to 0. Multiplicand will be stored in M register, multiplier will be stored in Q register, and the number of bits of the number will be stored in the count, the multiplier and multiplicand, right? So first we are going to check the bits of Q0 and Q minus 1. If both are same, that is either 1 1 or 0 0, then we are going to do arithmetic right shift operation on the content of A, Q and Q minus 1. Decrement the count, check the count whether it is equal to 0 or not, then repeat the loop. If the content of Q0 is 0 and Q minus 1 is 1, then we are going to do addition arithmetic operation. The content of A is added with M and the result is stored in A. So after arithmetic addition operation, we are going to do arithmetic right shift operation of the content A, Q and Q minus 1. Right? Now, if the content of Q0 is 1 and Q minus 1 is 0, then we are going to subtract the content of M from A and store the result in A. That means here we are going to do addition with 2's complement of M. So we are going to add the content of A with the 2's complement of M, and after that we'll store the result in A. So after this subtraction, we will be performing arithmetic shift right operation of A, Q and Q minus 1, and we will be decrementing the count and continuously checking whether the count is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, so this will be the end of your product and you will get the final product as an answer in register A and Q. Now, one thing you are going to keep it in mind, that the right shift is such that the leftmost bit of A will be shifted right into an minus, that means if an minus 1 bit is shifted right, it will come at position an minus 2, but also this an minus 1 bit will also remain in position an minus 1. So let's see how we are going to apply this flowchart for one of the numerical 7 into 3. Here both the numbers are positive. So let's start with this. So the multiplicand is 7 and its equivalent binary binary notation is 0 1 1. Multiplier is stored in Q. It is 3. And equivalent binary 0 0 1 1. Multiplicand is M, multiplier is Q. So in Q we will write 0 0 1 1 and in M we will write 0 1 1, right? So Q0 at the first stage initialized to 0 and A also initialized to 0. So these are the initial values. Now you are going to observe the Q0 bit and Q minus 1 bit. Now here it is Q0 is 1 and Q minus 1 is 0. So I will open the flowchart. Yeah. So when Q0 is 1 and Q minus 1 is 0, then we are going to add the content of 2's complement with A. That means it is equivalent to subtraction and store the result in A. So let's do it here. So what will be the 2's complement of M? M's 2's complement. So in M we have 7, which is equivalent to 0 1 1, right? And 1's complement of equal to 1 0 0. Okay, what will be then 2's complement? Two's complement will be 1 0 0 plus 1, which I will get 1 0 0 1, right? Now you are going to add these 2's complement of m in A here, right? Since the Q0 bit and Q minus 1 bit is 1 0. So here we will write A equal to A minus M. That means A plus 2's complement of M. Okay, yeah. So what will be the result? What is the current value of A? A is 4 times 0. M is 1 0 0 1. Do the addition. What I will get? 1 0 0 1. So this is A plus A equal to A minus M, that is A plus 2's complement of M. So we will be copying this number here in A, right? So the current value of A will be 1 0 0 1. Okay, then next Q will be 0 0 1 1. Then Q0 will remain as it is. M will remain as it is for all the numbers. Okay, M will remain as it is for all the numbers. So after every subtraction and addition operation, see here, after every subtraction or addition operation, we are going to shift right the content of A, Q and Q minus 1. So here shift right A, Q, Q minus 1, right? So why we have done this subtraction? Because Q0 was equal to 1 and Q minus 1 was equal to 0, right? So therefore we have done the subtraction. So here after shifting right, this A n minus 1 will come at position n minus 2, as well as it will remain as it is in A n minus 1 position to indicate the sign of the number. So here I will write 1. This is A n minus 1 bit position. Again 1. This is A n minus 2 position. 0. 0. Right? So this one has come here. Okay. So this one has been shifted right. Now this one will come here. So 1 0 0 1. Okay. Now after that, this one, the Q0 bit, will come at position Q minus 1. Okay, so m will remain as it is. M will remain as it is in all the numericals. Okay, next again we are going to observe these 2 bits. We are going to observe these 2 bits. Right? So this q0 is 1 and q minus 1 is 1. So whenever the bits are same, q0 and q minus 1 are same, 1 1, then we are going to do only the right shift operation. So let's do it here. Now here this one a minus 1 bit position will come to a n minus 2. So therefore 1 1 1 0, right? So this one has come here. Okay, now this 0 will come here. So 0 1 space 0 space 0. Okay, next after that this one will come here. Okay, and m will remain as it is in all the numericals, right? So after shifting right, now again check the q0 bit. So this is your first cycle. Just a minute. After initial value, this is your first cycle. Then this is your second cycle. In second cycle, we are doing only shift operation since the 2 bits q0 and q minus 1 are same, right? Next, after that, again the q0 bit, this one is 0 and q minus 1 is 1. So again refer the flow chart. Now it is 0 1. So you are going to add the content of a with m and store the result in a. So let's do it. So a equal to a plus m. Why? Because q0 is equal to 0 and q minus 1 is equal to 1. See, I will show it once again. q0 bit is 0 and q minus 1 is 1. So in flowchart, if q0 is 0 and q minus 1 is 1, then we add a equal to a plus m. Okay, so in the second cycle, what is the value of a? It is 1 1 1 0 and the value of m will remain as it is same. So value of m is 0 1 1 1. Okay, do the addition of this. Just a minute, I will do the addition. Yeah. So 0 1 will be 1, 1 1 will be 0, 1 1 will be 0, carry 1, and again 1 1 0, carry 1, 0 1 will be 1. The next 1 1 0, carry 1, 0 will be 0, 1 1 0. Then next we will get here answer as 0 and carry will be 1. Okay. A equal to A plus M, right? So this is a carry has been generated. Okay, so we are going to ignore this carry and we are going to write only the content of A, that is 0 1 0 1. Okay, next after that we will write this Q as it is, we will write this 1 as it is, and then 0 space 1 space 1. Okay, then next do the shift right operation. So now see here, at an minus 1 it is 0, so it will remain same as it is as at n minus 1 position, as well as it will shifted right to an minus 1 n minus 2 position. See, I will write here 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this 0 is shifted right here, as well as it will remain as it is since it indicates the sign of the number. Now this one will come here. Okay, now this 0 is shifted right, so Q minus 1 will become 0 and will remain as it is. Okay, next after that, now again observe the Q0 and Q minus 1 bit. Observe the Q0 and Q minus 1 bit. Now both these are same, so again go to flowchart. See, if they are both 0 0, then do the arithmetic shift right operation. Content of A, Q and Q minus 1 are shifted to right. So we are going to perform the shift right operation here. So here again this 0 now will be shifted here. So 0 0 0 1, right? So this is the right shifted, this is present at an minus 1, now it has become at an minus 2, as well as this will remain same in an minus 1 for the sign of the number. Okay, next, now this bit will come here 0 1 0 1. Okay, the next this 0 will come at Q minus 1 position, 0 1 and will remain as it is. Now your product will remain in A and Q register. See, this is your product, this is your product. So product by Booth's algorithm equal to, what is the product? 0 0 0 1 space 0 1 0 1, which is equal to 21. 7 into 3 is 21. So this is our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, I hope you understood this Booth's algorithm numerical. Try to solve multiple assignments, multiple numericals, then only your confidence will get increased. Okay, thank you all of you.